Over the last 10 years, data-driven decision-making has changed how we create reports, and data sources we use have exploded in complexity. Yet the tools we use to design reports do not cover the complex demands of reporting and data visualization within companies relying on data when planning their future, which has forced us to spend too much time creating reports that in the end don't even answer key business questions. How well are we doing? Where should we focus our attention? Which action should we take? Zebra BI is the world's first data visualization tool that takes data from Power BI and transforms it into meaningful and actionable reports, completely removing the need to write code. It's called actionable reporting, and all you have to do is add to Zebra BI the data that is important to you, whether it's revenue, forecast, market share, income, production, plan, or anything else you measure as success in your company. Then, you create your custom reports and dashboards to visualize your data in seconds with pixel-perfect, responsive design that not only fits any screen, it also adapts the amount of information automatically. Under the hood, Zebra BI simplifies your data model, optimizes the infrastructure, and automatically calculates all the data for you so you can achieve as much as 10 times faster performance. Zebra BI code has been reviewed and certified by Microsoft, which guarantees the highest level of security. All that, plus following the IBCS reporting standards that we co-founded in 2015, has convinced the world's leading companies to switch to Zebra BI when it comes to uncovering their business-critical insights. Now, you too can create powerful reports that follow the latest design best practices and stay consistent across the whole company. For smarter decisions, only with Zebra BI.